For close to 70 years, Thermal Ceramics has been a worldwide leader in the development and manufacture of high-temperature insulating and refractory products. These include such industry standards as Kaowool ceramic fiber, K-insulating fire brick, and a complete line of refractory castables. Ceasefire 2000, a patented system for filling voids behind refractory linings, is one of the most innovative products among the many invented by Thermal Ceramics. These thermographic pictures show the tremendous energy loss which occurs when furnace backup insulation is damaged. Ceasefire 2000, pumped through the cold face side of the furnace wall, has the immediate effect of greatly reducing heat loss. Suitable for both on or offline units, Ceasefire conveniently fills voids in insulation, significantly improving furnace energy efficiency. After an extensive development program, Thermal Ceramics is happy to announce another significant breakthrough in lightweight pumpable technology. Two new distinct Ceasefire product grades are now available: Ceasefire TP and Ceasefire XTP. These products are very convenient to use, extra strong and thick, yet possess many of the same insulating benefits as standard Ceasefire 2000. Ceasefire TP grade is a low-density economical product with smooth void-filling characteristics. Here we see it being introduced into the backside of a test panel that simulates normal impediments to flow caused by damaged backup lining. Note the even way it fills the void, sealing it up completely. For applications where very durable insulation is needed, high-strength Ceasefire XTP is the material of choice. This premium product has a smooth consistency, yet is thick enough to minimize leakage through gaps. Both Ceasefire products are rated for continuous use up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Ceasefire TP and XTP insulation have the following features and advantages. One component ready to use from the container. Lower wet density than competitive fiber-based pumpables, so less material is required. Highest fired strength to weight ratio. Lower fired shrinkage. Filled voids stay filled when the heat is applied. And very low thermal conductivity. Original insulation properties are effectively restored. Installation of the new Ceasefire grades is easily accomplished using the new Ceasefire diaphragm pump. This pump, working on the principle of two alternating, opening and closing diaphragms, is simple to operate and easy to keep in good working order. It runs on most plant air systems, generally requiring 100 psi and 80 CFM. An auxiliary compressor may be needed for pumping long sections or high lifts. Quick connect clamps are provided on the hoses for operator convenience. Once the pump and hoses are primed with water, you're ready to start. Simply load the Ceasefire TP or XTP into the stainless steel metal hopper. Then open the pump valve to begin filling the hose lines. An injection nozzle, complete with couplings, is provided for insertion of material through welded nipples. The nozzle has its own shutoff valve and pressure reading gauge to determine when the cavity is full and the valve is to be closed. This safety feature greatly reduces the chance of lining damage from pressure buildup. Once the job is complete, the cleanup operation entails just thoroughly flushing out the hoses and brushing the hopper clean. Both the setup and tear down operations take only a matter of minutes. Some advantages of the Ceasefire diaphragm pump include Low maintenance. Replacement of diaphragms is easily done, and a spare set comes with the pump. Fast flow rate. Generally, 3 to 5 gallons per minute is achieved. Continuous operation. Ceasefire material is pumped directly from the hopper. Extrusion-type pumps, commonly used with competitive pumpables, must be stopped and restarted when pails are emptied. Many accessories. Included with the pump are 50 feet of hoses, a deluxe toolkit, and complete injection nozzle. Easy movement and storage. The pump is attached to a handcart and wheeled into place. For shipping and storage, it's packaged in a heavy-duty metal reinforced wooden box, complete with hooks and tow motor rails. The high strength and special flow properties of the new Ceasefire products make them ideal for a variety of applications. Among these are re-insulation of utility boiler walls and penthouse floors, filling in cracks and replacing insulation on brick kiln roofs and kiln car decks, hotspot repair in blast furnace stoves, and re-insulating furnace frames and jambs. This is shown being done at Georgia Vitrified Brick. A void between the ceramic fiber jambs and metal shell was quickly and easily filled with Ceasefire XTP insulation. Here are some comments from the maintenance foreman at Georgia Vitrified.
The cost of replacing the steel and all, it's really letting all the labor and work involved in ripping it out, replacing it. So, this to me is a better alternative. We have some boards as much as, I'd say almost as much as 2 inches. And it, from what I can tell, it just went right through it and sealed it all, up through it. The stuff has penetrated through it, went down, filled the gaps up. The Ceasefire XTP is, it's going to work great for the sealing up the cracks.
Not all jobs are large enough to require the Ceasefire diaphragm pump. Should the application need only a small amount of insulation material, the new Ceasefire caulking gun kit, which pumps quart caulking tubes, could be appropriate. Packaged in a metal case, the kit includes an air-powered caulking gun, connection hoses and nozzles, and a quart tube of Ceasefire XTP insulation. To use, simply insert the caulking tube into the metal cylinder and screw it onto the gun. Cut off the plastic tip and make a hole in the tube. Attach the small air line, and when the trigger is pulled, an even flow of Ceasefire is released. Speed of output can be easily adjusted on the gun. The Ceasefire caulking kit is handy for filling small voids around burner blocks and side doors, kiln cars, or anywhere cracks need to be filled. Thermal Ceramics now has 2 distinct means to fill backup insulation voids. Ceasefire 2000, where fluidity is necessary for filling around existing insulation, and the new Ceasefire TP and XTP grades, where strength, damming ability, and ease of use are the factors needed most. Remember, there are no equals to the high-quality Ceasefire line, available only from your local Thermal Ceramics sales representative or distributor. Contact them today and learn how Ceasefire really lives up to its name.